Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic concept tutorial how to duplicate and mirror a part. So for example, I will create a part, can click sketch and I will choose top line, use the line tools. So I will create in it basic sketch and then use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now we have the part 1 here. If you want to duplicate this part, you can right click and then click copy here. So I will move like to the right here, click OK to apply. Now we need to mirror this part. You can select part 2, use the mirror command, and then for mirror plane, I will select at this face. The next, create new, and click OK. Now we can delete the part 2. If you want to move this part, you can select the part objects and then use the transform tools, and I will set translate in here by distance, and for direction I will choose in this plane front. Now you can use it here to move, or you can change like into the right plane. You can move to here. If you're done, you can click OK to apply. So that's it for basic concept tutorial how to duplicate and mirror a part